Well, this is John Black, Super Chemist. I wasn't even going to make a video, but I saw this at the store and I figured I'd buy it and show you. If you want to buy acetic acid, you can obviously get vinegar. It's nice and clear, so it's not as many sugars in it. But this vinegar here is 30% vinegar. Normally vinegar is like 3 to 5%. Even if you got the 5% stuff, this would be it says right here, six times as much. You'd need 6 gallons of regular vinegar to equal this 1 gallon of, so if you're going to make sodium acetate, you'd only need a little bit of this to do it. And now this product was, I actually looked at it and it says it's for cleaning. Believe it or not, I wouldn't want to clean with it. But I didn't find it in the cleaning section. I found it in where they have, not the plants, but right next to the plants where they have stuff like pesticides. And this was in there with it at Walmart. You can see the name of the brand, Harris. Like I said, it's 30% vinegar. It's nice and clear. Since you're not using it as food, it probably doesn't have a lot of sugars and stuff like that in it. Let's see what the back says. It just says it's 30% acetic acid. So anyways, that's pretty much the whole video. That's a nice product there, though. I hate having to deal with 5%. 30% is a lot better. So anyways, y'all have a great day, and always remember, science is great.